Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not approved. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. A stable internet connection is crucial, so confirm your Wi-Fi or data is working correctly. Next, make sure your Roblox app is updated. Outdated versions often cause issues. Finally, quickly check the official Roblox server status to see if there are any widespread problems affecting everyone. Moving on, sometimes a simple relog can resolve many glitches. Try logging completely out of your Roblox account and then signing back in. It's also important to review your privacy settings and any parental controls that might be enabled, as these can restrict access. If you're over 13, ensure your age verification is complete for full functionality. Now, let's look at device-specific solutions. Clearing the Roblox app's cache and data can often fix persistent errors by removing corrupted files. A full device restart is also a powerful, yet simple, troubleshooting step that can resolve many software conflicts. Additionally, if you use a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with game connections. If the problem still isn't resolved, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is often the next best step. This ensures you have a fresh, clean install. Also, double-check your device's firewall or antivirus software. They might be mistakenly blocking Roblox. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox's official support team for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.